Okay, everybody, Riley's here again. Say hi, Riley. We're gonna go back to work on his Jeep today, and I'm gonna let you be my cameraman, and you can just film me taking this out of here, and then I'll film you back at the Jeep into here. We'll make it look oh so official for the YouTube crowd. I'll be very impressed with our professionalness.
Yeah.
So I've been working on the shifter on this. I had a little short Hurst shifter. Well, first I had that big long shifter, like was way up to here. But then I put a short one in there, but I had trouble having enough leverage to get it through the gears. So this is actually just a piece of some cheap thing that we got. I think it's just aluminum, but it just happened to fit right on the shaft. And that gives me, it keeps this down low, but it gives me enough leverage so I can shift that pretty well. I'm thinking about taking this piston and figuring out a way to fit it on the back of here as a handle. That'd make a good little shifter handle.
I like the UGG boot.
Yes, shifter boot. I'm gonna get a sock because you see where this sticks out? Well, I got an old gray wool sock, and I thought, well, I'll just slip that sock on there and let it go down in the boot, and then you won't see that. So that'd be kind of cool. So I'm just gonna back this out and get it out of the way.